guys, welcome to Blackpool. The sun is out and the flesh is out. Seagulls are there. Sunbathers. Sunbathing, what's it called? Here, Blackpool #1 pub. We by the coach station. All police stations, all been police station there. Not been knocked down yet. It's a courthouse that's been knocked down, but the police station still stands. Yeah, Central dogs and the police. Is that the community police? Yeah, PCSOs. Keeping trouble out of Blackpool. It's Coral Island Casino. Make sure it's safe to cross. Okay, you know, yeah. I want to boy, what am I going? Nobody's giving us away. Acha you. Boy mo ngayon, hara. Acha, mo ngayon. Right. Welcome guys, been a while, you know, seen us. We're out and about in Blackpool. PCSOs. What are we doing? Somebody lost their phone? Oh, the police, they're police, mate. Police. Yeah, it is. There's a number there, as you can see, 1397. It's a police van, mate. I wonder what they got behind the van. McDonald's, Mackey's. There's always a homeless people around there. Take a McDonald's. Safe to cross. Come on, quick. It's going right. It's gone right. It was green when we first crossed. When I crossed. Let's go. There's always a homeless guy around in McDonald's. Always. How you doing, mate? Right. It's a buggy without a child. All the newspapers. It's been a long time, guys. We've not been out in town. Too busy, too busy. But we're here today. Let's go. It's a nice day, actually. At least it's not raining. It's been raining for the past few days, almost a week. Well, it's not raining today. The sun is out. You want to go TK Maxx, huh? TK Maxx. Oh. Right. Oh yeah, it is warm. There's music. You don't want to be gone with copyright, so I think we'll have to edit it or we won't get monetized. So let's see. I'm really hot. I think I might have to take my coat off, or my jumper, my hood, my hoodie. Wow. Hey, hey, say something. Say something. Hmm? Yeah? Say hello. Hello, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, you're gonna subscribe. I'll be the future African world traveler, the junior or the senior. Say bye. Looking serious. Looking serious. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this here, and then I'll see you in the other side. See you in the other side when we come out, because there's some music on the background. So guys, take care guys. Speak to you guys soon. African world traveler here. It's been a while. We back. All good. Let's go.